Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on division with whole numbers. Here we will start looking at the division process where we are dividing by a single digit only. Now here are some very straightforward ones here to start with. 2 divided into 846. 2 divided into 8, so how many times does 2 divide into 8? 4 times, so make sure you put it in the correct column straight above the 8. 2 divided into 4 goes twice, and 2 divided into 6 goes 3 times. So there are no remainders. So the division is perfect, no remainders. 3 divided into 3 goes once. 3 divided into 9 goes 3 times, and 3 divided into 6 goes twice. So the answer is 132, no remainder. Now let's have a look at this. This is a very interesting process here that we need to follow very carefully. 2 divided into 3 goes once. Now we know it doesn't go into it evenly because 2 does not divide into any odd number evenly. 1 times 2 is 2. So if you just follow this process carefully, then we put a subtraction sign here and we have to do a takeaway. That helps us to work out the remainder because 2 goes into 3 once, and this process helps us to find the remainder. 1 times 2 is 2, so we do the subtraction. 3 take away 2 gives us 1, so the remainder is 1. What we do then, we bring down this 7, because what we do then, we're dividing 2 into 17. So 2 into 17 goes 8, because we know that twice 8 is 16. Now we find the remainder. 8 twos are 16, so we put the 16 there. And the reason we do subtraction, that helps us find the remainder. Okay? 7 take away 6 is 1, and 1 take away 1 is 0. We don't have to put that down. Now we bring down the 8, so that 8 goes there. See that there like that? 2 into 18 goes 9 times. So we put the 9 there. 9 times 2 is 18. So that's very interesting. So when those two numbers are the same, and you do the subtraction, there are no remainders, and that means the division is perfect because there are no remainders. So the 2 goes into 378, 189 times, with no remainder. Let's try this next one before we look at a sum that's already been done for us. 3 divided into 4 goes once. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we do the line, and the subtraction helps us to find the remainder. 4 take away 3 gives us 1. So what that's telling us is that when 3 divides into 4 once, there's a remainder of 1. We bring the 4 down to there, so now we have 14. 3 divided into 14, we know that that goes 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. So we put the 12 there, and then we do a subtraction to find the remainder. 4 take away 2 is 2, so there's a remainder of 2. Now, what happens then is we bring the 1 down. Okay, so that 1 goes there. 3 into 21 goes 7, because we know from our tables 3 sevens are 21. So that's a very good sign, because look at this. 3 sevens are 21. When we do the subtraction, perfect division, no remainders. So 3 into 441 goes 147. Now here we've actually done the whole sum. So let's follow it through carefully. 2 goes into 3 once. So there's the 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So we put the line in and do the subtraction. 3 take away 2 is 1. That gives us a remainder of 1. We bring the 7 down like we did in those previous examples. 2 divided into 17 goes 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. 17 take away 16 is 1. So there's a remainder of 1. Bring the 8 down. So here we have 18. 2 divided into 18 goes 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. And when we do our subtraction, 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 divided into 378, 189 is the answer. Now at times we may have a remainder, so let's see what happens with this one. 3 into 7 goes twice because we know 3 twos are 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. So we put the 6 there. Then we do the subtraction to find the remainder. 7 take away 6 gives us 1. We bring the 3 down there. So now we have 13. 3 divided into 13 goes 4 times because 3 fours are 12. We put the 4 there. 4 times 3 is 12. There we go. So we do the line. We do the subtraction to find the remainder. 13 take away 12 is 1. We bring down the 4. So now we have 14. 3 divided into 14 goes 4 times because 3 fours are 12. 4 threes are 12. So we do that. Now we do the subtraction, and this gives us a remainder of 2. So the way we do it is, the answer is 244 with a remainder of 2. So there's an example where we have a remainder. Now here's a sum which has been done for us. 3 into 4 goes once. 1 times 3 is 3. We draw the line and do the subtraction to find the remainder. 4 take away 3 is 1. Bring down the 7. 3 divided into 17 goes 5. 5 threes are 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. There's a remainder of 2. Bring down the 6. 3 into 26 goes 8 because 3 eighths are 24. 8 threes are 24. Do the subtraction. 6 take away 4 is 2. So the answer is 158 with a remainder of 2. So this video has shown us how to do division using one digit, and we've seen how to do it with no remainders and also with a remainder.